Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Here today at Crypto.com, DeFi wallet, and we're going to be looking at VVS Finance, the XVVS today. So first, we're going to look at the CRO. We're about 48 cents. Pretty good premium. We're okay around 50 cents, I think. I think we're going higher as long as Bitcoin goes higher. Bitcoin is sitting at about 47,000. We've had a little bit of a rough road past couple days with Bitcoin, but you can see the trend is a little bit down, but I have confidence it's going to 50K and on up, and it's going to break this downtrend. Hopefully, we'll see. Anyway, now we're going to go over to VVS Finance. So that's all you got to do is click the diamond, and it will magically transport you over to VVS Finance, where you can see everything you have staked over here in the mines, in the farms, in the vaults. So you can see I'm at about 450. I had originally put $1,000 in, and I'm down half-ish. So not a great start for VVS and VVS Finance, but I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt. Hopefully, this is going to be the key. So first of all, let's go over into XVVS. This is where we're going today. And first thing we need to do is we need to enable the XVVS place here. And it's going to cost 0.2 CRO. Well, hello old friend, called a fee. 0.2 CRO. Alright, that's not bad. CRO is about 50 cents, so it's about, what, 15 cents? Something like that? Something crazy small? Not a bad start to get here. So it says 1 VVX XVVS equals 1.011 VVS. So slightly more valuable. You can see the APR for the last 7 days, only 34.6%. Wow, that's terrible. That is terrible. Although, it's not like you can go to Wells Fargo or Bank of America and get that APR. Right. They're paying half of 1%, like 0.05%, or some ridiculous amount in your savings account. So, yeah. The vault. You can see the vault. So, no vault found. Okay, so we need to enable the vault. So to enable the vault, it's going to cost another 0.2 CRO. Well, I should have predicted that. What do you guys think about the vault? That's pretty interesting. Okay, now that's going to take a minute, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap some CRO. I'm going to swap 25 over into VVS. Okay. And you can see here it's going to cost a little bit of CRO to make that transaction happen. So I'm going to say confirm. It's going to be a minute. And it's going to cost, whoa, 0.85 CRO. Not bad. So what, 40 cents or something. Okay, whoa, it didn't work. The heck happened? Okay. Let's try this again. Confirm. And confirm. And close. So hopefully I don't end up with $50, 50 CRO converted. Instead of 25, I guess we'll see. So let's go over to XVVS, and we're going to see here. We did enable this, so what happened? Alright, you can see the transaction happened. I'm going to deposit. Whoa, vastly different rates here. 7 days, 6 months, 1 year, 4 years. Wow. Okay. Well, 7 days, not enough. 6 months seems about right. 1 year seems kind of long. 4 years is an eternity in crypto. Although 200%, that's a pretty good deal. I'm going to say deposit. I'm going to go with 6 months. And I'm going to go with my max. Oh no. That's a problem. So, I thought I enabled this already, but it didn't take. I don't understand what happened here. Right. So, Alright, so now what we have to do here is we have to stake VVS to get XVVS. So right now we're going to stake the max, and we are going to confirm, and it's going to cost a CRO. Okay, fine. 50 cents. So the fees are stacking up here with all the enabling and swapping and staking. Okay. Yeah. Is it worth it? Hard to say, but we've completed the transaction, and you can see we are accumulating XVVS here. So we're going to go to the vault. All right. And we are going to deposit for 6 months the max amount, and we deposit in the vault. So we have a 6x multiplier. Okay, fine. 44% interest. I could do that. Oh, it's 2.5 CRO. It's $1.50. Okay. Well. Uh-oh. It failed. And why did it fail, pray tell? Okay. Interesting. So we have stake. Oh, okay, now we have it staked. Awesome. And I'm going to go to the vault. I'm going to deposit. Okay, I'm going to, just for fun, do 4 years. I'm going to do 25%. I'm going to say deposit. And, okay. And in 4 years, who knows what's going to happen? Do you guys know? Because if you did, if you have your crystal ball ready, let me know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to see if I listen to you. Because if you do, we'll both be alright. Yeah, that'll be interesting. Look, the multiplier is now 108x. That's pretty cool. Now, I know I only put a little bit of VVS in here, but we'll see what happens at this high rate of return. So, I'm not sure if this thing is going to confirm anytime soon. I know the conversion rate, or the staking rate, has been high, so it means a lot of people doing it. So that's good. So look, we have 4 years. Nice. Okay. So now we have some of the wallet, some of the vault, and I'm going to the vault, and I'm going to say, I'm going to deposit another round, and I'm going to do it for 6 months. And I'm going to do half of what's left. Why? Because I want to. I want to see how this works, and before I move any real money into this, I'm just experimenting, showing you guys how this works. And that didn't work. Interesting. So go back out here. You can see we're still staked. Still have some in the vault. Did it charge me that 2.5 CRO? Interesting question. I'll have to go back and check on that. So I'm going to say deposit, confirm. I'm guessing it did charge me that 2.5 CRO twice, just because that's the way these guys are. It doesn't matter if the transaction goes through or not. I've had horror stories with Ethereum that they charged you the Ethereum fee, which is not $1 or $1.50 or $2. It's in the hundreds of dollars for Ethereum charges, transactions. And here you see we have the XVVS Vault. We have it for 6 months and 4 years. And we click over the earnings. Wow, look at that. That's pretty cool. I like the metrics. Got a little pie chart. You can see the lockup. And that is pretty cool. Staked, unlocked. Very cool. You can see you can harvest. Okay, what happens if I click harvest? It's going to charge me 2.5 CRO. Okay, so I'm not doing that right now. So I'm going to wait a substantial amount of time. And I'm just going to go back to the staking. You can see what we have staked. Cool. And alright, that's all I have for today. Let's see on the dashboard if anything has changed from the beginning when I didn't have anything staked over there in XVVS. So, doesn't look like that's incorporated into the dashboard just yet. So, be sure you guys subscribe for more updates on VVS Finance and how to deal with this vault and staking and huge massive interest rates above 50%. Awesome. Thanks for watching.